What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at a company out of Alaska, Aurora Beard Co. So stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, if you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, gear reviews, beard product reviews, some tutorials, and today we're going to be taking a look at an oil from a company out of Juneau, Alaska. It is Aurora Beard Co. Alright, so they pride themselves on a handmade product. They were known for their thick oils. So today we're going to be taking a look at one of those, and today we're going to be looking at the scent Man Cave. Alright, so one thing before I get going, I've got a lot of beard products. Never busted a lid before, but as you can see right here, lid cracked. Just clean crack. So now when I go to use it, I have to pinch the lid to shake it up. Not fun. So I've been using this for about a week and a half now, actually, and it comes in the signature blue glass bottle with the dropper top. This oil is super thick. Super thick. It is the thickest oil I have used to date. Comes in at a yellowish color, light yellow, but really thick. Now they say for Alaska, it being thick is really good for the cold weather, the cold climate that they have, the harsh conditions. I like it. It has a good hold. You can put this oil in and you don't need to put a balm in with it. It is really good when it comes to the thickness. Like I said, it is the thickest oil I have ever used, and I like a thick oil because it does good with holding this curly beard that I've got. It is super curly, and anything I can do to help kind of maintain that and tame it is good in my book. So the label, if we can do the label here, Aurora Beard Company, Man Cave, and under that it says best looking beards under the northern lights. Real fine print right there. Then over here we have the ingredients: castor oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, and essential oils. Now with castor oil being that leading oil, that just tells you how thick it is. It is super thick. Alright, so by way of scent, according to their website, this scent profile is leather and smoke, just a manly scent. For me, I don't get any of the smoke. I get some leather. Now, if you ask my wife what this smells like, she says it smells like a hospital clean kind of thing, like sterile and clean is what she says. She don't get the leather. So for me, I get the leather, but I don't get any smoke. And in beard, I get the exact same smell I get out of bottle. For a lot of products, bottle to beard, it varies. It gets a little different when you add heat. You get it out of its element in that bottle, you apply heat to it, you get it in your beard. But this right here, I get the exact same scent profile from bottle to beard. They have recently started doing thinner oils. I don't know how they are. Alright, so pricing. This 1 ounce bottle will run you $12 on their website, which is a really good price comparing to other beard products and beard oils. $12 for 1 ounce is really good. So take that in consideration. Give them a look. Check them out. Alright guys, so if you found this review helpful, please hit that thumbs up. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. And check back for some other content. I got a playlist that I'll have all my beard product reviews. If that's what you came here for, I'll put that playlist up here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And as always, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.